everybody, welcome back to my studio of Perpetual Mojo. Today I'm going to make a zipper pull that your kids will love to wear on their backpacks or coats when they go back to school. I've got my bead soup down here, and those are all my favorite beads to use. I've got a really cool stone skull bead and a tiny little silver Jolly Roger that I'm going to make into the zipper pull. I have a 3-inch piece of 20 gauge wire. I'm going to come 1 inch in and grab it with my round nose pliers. I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to crimp it. I'm going to slide the little Jolly Roger on there. So there's your little Jolly Roger dangle. I've got a pretty good sized hole in this bead so that I can slide it very easily over both wires. And now I'm going to bend the short wire at an angle, almost a right angle. And I'm just going to twist the wire to secure the bead. Make sure that you fold down any sticky outy parts because wires hurt if you grab them from the end. Ta-da, lovely. And now you simply slide on your skull bead or whatever kind of bead you like. Now you need to close up a loop to go on the clip. So you bend it around and twist it just like we did the one before. Now you want to slide it onto your clip. And the last thing that I like to do is crimp the bottom part of the clip just a little bit to try to keep the bead on, to keep your little dangly part on. Okay, here's your little pirate zipper pull and some other examples. This would be mine because it's chocolate and it makes noise, and I'd probably put it on a coat because if somebody picked it up accidentally, they'd know right away it wasn't theirs. This one's just a real simple polymer clay cookie, little sandwich cookie. And here's some other kinds of things that you could add to a zipper pull to make it elegant or more feminine or anything you want. I hope you like this project. I hope you're inspired to try something like it. And I hope that if you do, you will let me see. Email me, Candace@cooltocraft.com, at any time with any story at all. Be sure to include some high-resolution photos. I'm Candace, and I think it's so cool to craft.